Welcome to the Monday Make, a series of STEAM do-it-yourself videos brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. I'm Crystal, a library assistant with Youth Services. Today we're going to make a leftover garden. Are you ready to make something?
Here are the supplies you'll need to make a leftover garden. You'll need the end of a vegetable such as celery, lettuce, onion, green onion, leeks, or carrot greens. I chose a green onion because they grow really fast. Also, you'll need a cup with some water in it. Remember kids, before you start any DIY project, be sure you have permission from your grown-up. Okay, so first you get your green onion. You might use the green part for soup or salad. Mine happens to be a bit old, so I'm just going to cut it at the end of the green and use the part that you wouldn't eat to regrow the green onion. So you take that part, you put it in the water. You just want the water deep enough to cover the roots, and that's all. And then put it in a nice well-lit space. Leave the butt end of your vegetable in water and watch over the next few days or weeks to see the stems, roots, and leaves grow. Try not to let the green part be in the water because that might start rotting. As your plant gets longer, notice how the stems are moving. What's happening is that the leaves are following the light coming from the window as the day goes by. Plants lean towards sunlight. Draw pictures or make records to observe your plant. Observation is a key part of science. Once you see root growth, you can plant in some soil inside or outside.
Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun making a leftover garden with us. Please share your finished project with us on Instagram. Ask your grown-up to take a photo and post it using hashtag #TheMondayMake and hashtag Mach1PPL. And make sure you don't miss our next video. Subscribe to Phoenix Public Library's YouTube channel. This STEAM DIY video has been brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. We're a space for makers, artists, crafters, and hackers. What will you make next?